Thursdays, you know, like on Thursdays.
Yeah, you know how we do on
Today I'm
Thursdays.
in Brooklyn, on the street of America.
Yeah, I
I'm
feel you.
Hey, you see that? Like,
Yeah,
you gave me
I feel
this,
you.
you remember?
I gave you.
Yeah.
You still have it.
Of course, boss key. I'm keeping
baby.
it.
I feel
I'm
it.
keeping in the box in my room. Like I really clean every morning.
You mean it?
I mean, I'm telling you that.
Oh, baby.
So today we're gonna prank somebody. He's not listening. You remember yesterday we threw a challenge to ABK?
Yeah, we did.
I told African to call him like prank. He does not know we're gonna call him.
Okay.
So we call him and we prank him live on the radio. Chami Kwame's DJ ABK.
You've mentioned it. Someone will call him and tell him.
Nobody should call, please. Nobody should gossip. African, hurry up. Nobody should gossip. Don't do that. You are not a snitch. You are not a gossip. I'm the gossip. Don't do that. So let's wait for the Akko Broski. I like what you're wearing.
All right.
I saw it on Instagram and I'm like,
Iowa 05 did it, you know.
Whoa.
He saw me and was like, yo.
You know you got a steez.
You looking good.
You got a
It's a
steez.
gay
That's why
thing,
you
so
call
yeah.
it J style. It's now. Oh, I like your watch too, Broski. You gonna kill me? I'm not gonna die. I said, hey, what's up? Somebody's gonna tell the guy.
I'm
gonna
thinking
tell
someone
him.
might call him and
The
tell him that
gossip
this is what we're gonna do.
Somebody's
Yeah,
gonna tell him that call.
and that's gonna be real bad.
Yeah,
you know. If it should happen that way.
yesterday when you threw the giant shot.
Yeah. Sister Sandy,
Yo, bro, no matter what, I'm in
feel you,
Brooklyn.
baby, yeah.
No matter what,
Yeah,
I'm
roll,
in Brooklyn.
baby, roll, yeah.
I'm telling you for a fact.
That's what
I'm not
it
even in
is.
Ghana. Do you see me?
Yeah, African, what you doing?
What are you doing, man?
African, what you doing?
Gosh, who is doing this? Who is doing this now?
Oh man.
Damn, Jay.
Then if
It's not
you're not getting
coming,
through, then let's
open the phone lines for people.
just pick the
If
calls,
the prank
you know.
ain't working, let's just
Yeah,
open it.
African, if that ain't working, please
Drop it a little.
put them through. Let's talk to them, yeah?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, okay, who's this?
Vic.
Yeah, that's us. Original.
Man.
Oh, gosh. Okay, Vic, we are listening to you.
I want to ask that Paul and Sarah, are you stop?
Who?
Paul and Sarah.
They have coronavirus, so they are isolation center.
Okay. You said you invite me, couldn't invite me. So
I will invite you, don't worry. That time will surely come, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
This girl is a real G.
Oh, gosh.
She's a real
Let's
G.
pick our next caller. Yeah, fire next. Oh, hey, sorry. Let's pick our next. Hello. I can put the next one through. Let's go.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Yeah, good evening, boss.
Evening, brother.
Yeah, so what's the name?
My name is Ike. I'm calling from Maya.
Okay, so we're listening to you.
I want to ask you what do you call that tall mine.
You
We have that what do you call?
Who's that?
What do you call? Sleepy.
Uh-huh.
What about it now? I never.
What are you talking about?
Yes.
You mean you've not been hearing from Obrimpon CP?
Yes.
Yeah, he's around, yeah. He's
Okay. We
he's
thank
on
God,
leave,
thank
yeah.
God.
Okay.
We thank God.
All right.
All right, thank y'all. My
African,
prank
let's
ain't
let's
working.
let's
I'm
let's
so
move on.
sad.
Let's move on to the next one,
I
African.
can't
Let's
believe
pick the
it.
next
My prank
caller.
ain't working.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please turn down the volume of your radio set, eh?
Okay.
Let's roll. What's the name? Where you calling from?
This is Ruben. I'm calling from Madina Record Flat.
Nice one. Let's hear
Thanks for
from you.
calling.
Yeah. I'm calling from Madina Record Flat.
heard
Yeah, we
that.
got that. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
what you got for us? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to ask, Brady, what about Sedro Manager and Dr. Paz? Invited to the show,
We should
say,
invite them to the show.
yes.
They on hits.
You know they are night crew, you know, so
Yeah, we
by now
daytime
they are
crew.
even
Yes,
sleeping.
because I've paid them
By
and
now,
to be a guy.
by now they are sleeping, so let them sleep, all right?
Okay. Since I stand to be a guy, I miss you,
Whoa, okay, I'm here. I see you too.
African, let's move on.
You know, there's a message on Facebook said invite Vic to the studio one day.
Oh, yeah, we will surely do that. We will surely do that. We will
Okay,
invite
we
Vic to
gonna
the
invite her
show.
real quick.
Yeah, hello?
Hold on.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Brady.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought that was him.
what's up? What's the name?
My name is Emmanuel, calling from Pram.
Emmanuel. Okay.
Emmanuel.
What you got for us?
All right. I wanted to ask, why is it that we always refer to other
we call sister station, sister school. So it's not brother, mother, or father.
Okay, from tomorrow we start calling them brother stations. Don't
Thank
worry.
you.
Okay.
Because women give birth, women give birth, men don't give birth.
Simple. So from tomorrow we start calling them brother stations.
Unless you want something else, they got no filler for me. It's so sad when I open the phone lines, they don't have any filler for me.
Oh my goodness.
And it makes me sick because I really want to gossip, you know.
All right, next caller. Hello.
My prank didn't work. I'm so sad.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Kwame.
Kwame?
Yeah, Kwame. I'm calling from East Legon Hills.
Okay, Kwame. Let's hear you. Talk to us.
Yeah, you know what? I just want to comment about Ampofo J's song. The voice is too low.
The voice is low?
Yeah,
so
the voice is too low.
You should go and volume up.
Okay.
All right, then. Thanks a lot. Jerry, you know what? I like you, though.
All right.
You like it?
Yeah. I'll show you later, yeah?
All right.
Jerry, did I get the proposal or what? Like he said he likes me.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, he said you?
He likes us.
No, was it me or you? So I don't know if he's gay.
Me. He likes me.
Jerry is gay. No, I mean
okay.
like.
This like.
Yeah, this is like. I like you. Like I like what you're doing.
Yeah, I mean,
just normal like.
Yeah, hello.
Don't be negative. Just normal like.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
What the
Good evening.
Yeah, what's your name?
What you calling for?
Yeah, my name is James.
James, you're welcome. So, James, what you got for us?
Yes. I want to ask why is CP?
I just mentioned it. He's on leave, yeah?
Okay.
But did you go to leave?
He's on leave.
Yes.
No.
I want to know. Maybe I don't know whether whoever catch me, I don't know.
Oh no, he's fine. He's good. He's
Good God.
Okay. Jeez. Wow. Anyways, next one. Hello.
Greetings.
Yeah, greetings.
Hello. I want to know about the program.
First of all, tell us your name.
My name is Kwame from Mountain Top.
Okay. All right.
May I want to know about the Silas in the other program? Whether you stop it on that?
What in other programs?
The Silas, Paul and Silas program.
Oh yeah, they are infected with the coronavirus, so they are isolation center. So they've been isolated. Yeah, so
okay.
we still pray for them. So
bless that.
Okay, all right. Let's do our final call. Actually, time is not on our side. We need to check out of here. So
let's check out.
The prank didn't work.
Again. So I feel somebody told DJ ABK we go and prank him. Somebody did. Somebody told him. Somebody snitched on us, and I'm so angry and mad. Whoever snitched on us, I'm so pissed off right now. But broski, tomorrow I'm gonna prank somebody.
All right.
I'm gonna prank one celebrity. Okay.
All right.
I like it when you speak English though. It makes you sound like you outside the country, but we here Kokom Lemle, you know.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, so that was Sister Sandvia guy with Philo. Yep. 1 2. My check 1 2 2 2 2.
Mic check 1 2.
Mic check 1 2, y'all.
Philo. ASEM with a fella.
All right, so a few shouts, then we'll be out of here.
Fella.
Wishing Mr. Kwame Ejekuma happy birthday. From the factory supply chain team at Nestle Ghana Limited. And also from Obo Becky in Italy, wishing the son Samuel Anson a happy birthday. May the good Lord bless him abundantly. Okay, so from that one, this one here says today is your birthday, Mrs. Doreen Tete of Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Pharmacy Department. From the Forgers to you. Music. Yeah, let's do all that too.
Appear to say that how
6 months free power.
Small boy yaro
and 3 months free water. Akufuado. My grief with pressure bubbles.
But
anyway,
yeah,
let's see how it goes.
My boys to the show, but at some school.
Jerry, please wish my friend Sister Joyce Nana Amoa, aka JT Dawn, a happy birthday for me. Why? I wish you all the best. Era sent in this one.
Yeah. Go borrow somebody in some way.
And good evening going out to you, Mr. Isaac Donko or Equatorial Guinea.
They go to
your child power penny.
Artists with
trust and say BBI you cool with you over there.
Did they be, but she fall for stage. Rough and smooth just they make front page. But those boys who really know them are Guru and I1 Stone Boy Trick. The thing you
Shouts going out to you, Nana Kwame. Enjoy the show in Hanover, Germany.
and confidence
Nana,
as unaware. But there's one thing
quite there good can I would say.
recorded on the stolen phone. Speaking of stolen
I will give you quite day tomorrow.
Ghana,
A pacho and a Vodafone kasa tenten aba e the amount.
the car.
And it me a kasa for up to 1 hour after paying just for the first minute of your call.
Oh,
It's man worry about the charges when you have Vodafone kasa tenten. It's you person kasa now can do any there. Simply dial star 135 hash or call 135. Now I subscribe to Vodafone kasa tenten. Then you can vie for up to 1 hour after paying for the first minute of your call
access them a drop.
to all networks. Just dial star 135 hash or call
Boss.
135 now to enjoy Vodafone kasa tenten.
Kiss your
Terms and conditions apply.
Shall from Pom.
Ready?
So Christopher.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with the Thursday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso.